Tableau is not the only leader in business intelligence and data visualization market. There are many other tools that are available like Power BI, ClickView, and so on. But now if you ask me what makes Tableau so special, why Tableau is so widely used, I would give you 4 reasons. The first reason is performance. The sources now are generating massive amount of data, and Tableau is designed and optimized to handle huge volumes of data without impacting the performance in the dashboards. And that's because Tableau is using high performance in-memory data engine to help analyze large data sets, where the data gonna be stored inside columns instead of rows, which gonna boost the performance in dashboards. Tableau has no limitations or whatever to the number of data points in the visualization. For example, on this view, we have over 1 million data points without any problem. This allows us to analyze large data sets in order to find trends, patterns with great performance. And all other tools still enforce row-sized data point limitations, which is not really helpful for data analysis. The second reason is quick and interactive visualizations. Compared to the other tools, with Tableau we can create rich and beautiful visualizations in just few seconds. I'm gonna show you now a quick example how to cluster my data and how to calculate the forecast. In order to do such a complex job in Tableau, we will just use drag and drop. So let's see how simple it is. Alright, so we're gonna go to the orders, take the sales, put it in the columns, profit and the rows, and take the order IDs in the details, and I want to see all my members over here. And now we go to the analytics pane and then double click on the clusters. So with that, I have very nice 4 clusters of my data. The next step, I will create a forecast of my data. So I'm gonna take the order ID, put it in the columns, and then we're gonna take the sales. I would like to change the visual to bars, so I have now here around 5 years. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to analytics and just click on the forecast, and that's it. So I have a forecast of 2 years of my sales. And now I'm just gonna go and put them together in one dashboard. So I'm gonna create a new dashboard, drag and drop the clusters, drag and drop the forecasts. I'm gonna link them together with the filter. And that's it. So now we have both of them, and if I click around, I will have an interactive dashboard for the forecast and for the clusters. The third reason, Tableau is user-friendly. As you can see, we have done very complex analysis with just drag and drop without writing any code, and this is exactly what Tableau wants. It's very intuitive and user-friendly, and this is the major strengths of Tableau. It just opens the door for all non-technical users to have a chance to work and play with data to solve their daily problems without the need of IT. But in the other hand, Tableau is integrated with programming languages like Python and R, which opens another door for advanced data visualizations, which might be used from data scientists. And the last reason is community. If you are working with Tableau, well, you are not alone. You have a huge Tableau community. In the community, we have around 2 million students and teachers, and in Tableau Public, we have around 5 million data visualizations that are published, and there's around 200,000 questions and ideas that are shared in Tableau forums. Having such a huge community is a big plus for any tool. It's very important because while you are working with data, you might face some problems or you have questions. It's very important that you have a place where you can go and ask your questions and get advices from other developers all over the world. And not only that, you can as well get inspired from the shared visualizations from other developers. You can find the important links about the Tableau community in the video description below. Alright, so my 4 reasons why Tableau is one of the best tools for data visualizations are: Tableau can handle massive amount of data, very suitable for big data use cases. It offers beautiful, quick, interactive visualizations. Tableau is intuitive and user-friendly, no coding or technical skills are required, and the last reason, Tableau community is very huge. One more thing that I would like to add is that data visualizations is really one skill that you have to master as a data scientist or data analyst, and Tableau is an amazing tool for data visualizations. That's why I highly recommend to learn or to get familiar with Tableau. It's gonna be like a huge advantage for your career. Alright guys, so with that you know my reasons why I think Tableau is a leader in data visualization, and with that we have finished the first chapter of Tableau, where we have covered a lot of important terms of data and Tableau. And in the next chapter we will have an overview of the Tableau product suite, where I will introduce you to 8 different Tableau products. And if you like my content and you want to support the channel, then I really appreciate it if you support, like and comment. This really gonna help the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.